video is gonna be called the snowstorm. Let's get on with the video. When is mommy gonna be here? Sorry kids, I was taking so long. Let's get home. Thank gosh. Come on kiddos. That's why y'all should wear something warmer. We all should have wore something warmer. What? Sorry guys, I'll be back. It's just too cold in here. Nice and better. Okay, I'm going to make some. Wait, guys, come on, that's still here. Let me go ahead and. Okay, guys, let me turn on some lights. But it is a little dark outside, so it's gonna be like that. Oh, what? That's right. Let me get that too. Okay. It's just 20 minutes late to go use the bathroom. Okay, I'm gonna sit down too, Mom. And I'll be right back. Okay, guys. I'm back. Guys, I'm cooking the 2 twins dino nuggies. What do you want? Maya or Mia? I think I want tomato and pasta. Wait, what's it called? Can I have tomatoey pasta? Yes, of course. If you're in the background, I'm literally eating. I don't have an air fryer. Okay, after they eat, back. Going to sleep. School will be called off tomorrow. Yay! It's 5 hours later. This is 2 weeks later. Let me get my paper real fast. Okay, we're coming here. Wait, we're just not here. There's kids. Day after school. Let's go look for Christmas things. I know both of the kids want, like the little ones, Nyla and Cade want skateboard. So this will be the perfect thing. Okay. And I also hear about some rainy day stuff. Just pretend she's looking at. But it's been raining a little lately, so. Well, I'm only here at Christmas shop, so let's get a little box. Put everything my Christmas shopping. I don't even know what Mia really likes. Oh, I know she loves these. And there's 2 packs. Oh, and she loves the character too. She would love this plant for her side of the room. This computer. Oh, I don't want to see a glitching computer. Boston photo. And I need to find another skateboard. I keep forgetting I'm looking for that. Wait, there's a big pile of junk right here. There's a skateboard. Okay, I got the 2 skateboards. Let's go pay. Okay, they're staying in her car for now. Just because she doesn't want the kids to see them. I thought all the places are different. They make it to where you can change this one. Like, is the whole world? The whole world will get dark if you turn dark and light. Okay, guys, I don't know why I'm experimenting. Like, I'm gonna pause y'all. So this is gonna be the end of today's roleplay. Bye, guys. Jesus loves you.